Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our reintroduction to SOHCAHTOA, which is for trigonometry. That would be what it is. Some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid, or some old hags can't afford husbands till old age. But before we even get to that point, ladies and gentlemen, first thing we have to review is naming our triangle. Does anybody remember how to name a triangle? The mind boggles. Naming a triangle at each corner. The corners, the vertices are labeled with capital letters, so A, B, and C. The sides are labeled with small letters on the opposite sides. This would be A, B, and small c. So what we've drawn here is angle or triangle ABC. Now, when I look at my trigonometric ratios, my trigonometric formulas, I'm always looking at them in terms of hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. Which one of those represents the hypotenuse? C. Yep, and we're going to shorten that to hypotenuse. If I'm looking at angle B, which side is opposite? Yep, small b becomes my opposite side and makes my adjacent side is the bottom. My adjacent side is A. And I'm just going to try and change color a little bit here. Let's try this one. So if I look over at this corner, it becomes the opposite thing. The hypotenuse always stays the same. From angle A, this now becomes my opposite, and this now becomes my adjacent. So we've done this before. It's a matter of remembering how we're labeling them. You heard me say at the beginning, the ridiculous acronym for all of this, SOHCAHTOA. Or if we want to use a different mnemonic, as I said, the classic one that I was taught when I went to school was some old, what was it? Some old hag. Oops, I missed out that. Oh, H, yes. Thank you for catching that. And I'm going to post this on the internet with my mistake. Some old hags can't afford husbands till old age. That was the mnemonic that I was taught. The mnemonic that I've learned since coming to BC, if we can't remember that one, is some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. Now, what does SOHCAHTOA actually stand for? The SOH stands for sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And our tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. These are our basic trigonometric definitions.